This is how you analyze a coin that has the potential of going 100x. Well, today it's the Labor Day. What boring day, yes? This day symbolizes the current situation in the crypto market. The beginning of September, it has a potential of bringing the bears into the market. Tons of uncertainty. Beginning of September, as we talked about many times, is an uncertain time, and it's a good opportunity to start our journey. This is the first video that we will talk about how to find the 100x coin, the desirable 100x coin. Now, everything that we do in this series of videos are only for you to analyze and learn from. It's not what kind of advice, financial advice. So learn from it and make your own research. So if we are looking for the 100x coin, that means that we are looking for some terms that this coin should answer, that some terms that could bring the potential of this certain coin. So today, in this first video in our journey, we will deal with the elimination, meaning with the things that this coin could not be having or could not be a part of. So let's start about 3 terms that this coin, our desirable 100x coin, could not have. First of all, market cap. Our coin could not have more than $200 million market cap. Make the math. If you think that our coin has the potential of going 100x, that means that $200 million, it's higher than this. It's too much. It's too high of a market cap, because we'll make the math and make the multiples. That means that we are in the areas of a few tens of billions. And to get from few hundreds of millions into billions, that should have a crazy potential coin, and chances are low. So meaning we need to look for a coin that has few tens of $1 million, around between, let's say, between $10 million investment till now to something like $50 million, $70 million. These are the coins that has the potential of going 100x, right? The second term is that it doesn't yet was listed by a major exchange, such as Binance. Meaning, if you take a coin that is already listed in Binance, that means that it has to have at least few hundreds of millions, if not $1 billion, or around $1 billion of investment. And usually these are the coins that are already listed in Binance. So it's out of the question, meaning we are looking in Uniswap, we are looking in Bybit, we are looking in Aerodrome Finance, in areas or in different kind of DEXs. Or even if you find it in Coinbase, still, if it's only in Coinbase, there's a chance that it wasn't traded yet in Binance or in Kraken or something like this, or Upbit. So it has potential, because then once it will be listed, boom, then we will start seeing it going by tens of X's. And the last term, I would say, we will look for a coin that is much less than $1. And that's more of a psychological way of analyzing, because once you see something like around 0.0 few cents or 10 cents or even 50 cents, usually coins that are less than $1 have more potential psychologically to reach above $1. This is kind of psychological reason, mainly because people and investors are looking for coins that are way below $1, let's say a few cents, 10 cents, that could reach something like $1 or $10, and that's 100x. It's not a real reason, but you have to admit that a coin that costs, let's say, few dollars or $5, $10, if it goes 100x, we are talking about $1,000, and that's much harder to comprehend or to accept. Of course, this is all chapter about tokenomics, and still, we need to eliminate all the ones that have no chance of reaching 100x. So this time, this is what we've learned, and I have to ask you a question: which coin answers all of these 3 terms, in your opinion? Share in the comments below, and let's continue our journey in the next video, and we will find this 100x coin. I promise you we will.